Hey guys, it's Veralyn. So, we know that birth control is anything you do to prevent an unwanted pregnancy, and we know that women are the ones that get pregnant. But does that mean she's solely responsible for prevention? Generally speaking, who do you think is responsible for birth control?
Both. Because if the man doesn't want to wear a condom, then you should do something about it. Like, you can't just be like, oh, well, I guess it's okay. So,
because they both should sit down and talk about it. Like, because if you're having sex, then apparently you should be on some birth control, right?
And the guy should wrap it up too.
No, he shouldn't.
He should be safe. Yeah,
He shouldn't?
Yeah, he should gotta be safe.
Right? It don't feel the same with a condom.
Safe.
I believe it's the woman that's responsible because basically it's them that's taking the pills, not us that's taking the pills.
I think it's both, but at the end of the day, I think the man needs to play a bigger role.
I mean, it's also the man too, because the man also has to make sure she's taking them as well. Because sometimes you know how women are; they can forget certain things.
Well, if you know how women are, then shouldn't you take some of the responsibility as well?
Yes, we should.
And what do you do to,
We can.
besides just reminding her to take her pill?
Well, I really do not know. So you're probably thinking, he's young, he doesn't know any better. So I asked a more mature guy what his role in prevention has been.
Condoms, number one. That's condoms.
All the time.
It depends. If I'm in a committed relationship and me and my partner, we're pretty tight, like they say. We do all our testing and everything. Then there's no condoms involved.
Now, do you want children?
Well, we pretty much would exercise the I forgot how they call it, the bailout. I don't know what they call it.
Oh, pulling out? Traditionally, those are pretty much the only non-permanent options guys have had. Condoms and pulling out. And keep in mind, for those guys that don't use the pull-out method perfectly, 27 out of 100 of them will get their partners pregnant each year. But guys, don't worry. Soon you'll have more options. A few male birth control options are currently being developed. And one, Vasogel, is already being tested in the United States. So I told the guys I talked to about it. So they're coming out with a male birth control. They're testing it right now, and it's coming out. Yeah.
That's crazy.
You want to know what it is? Yeah. It's a shot that they put into your testicles.
Conversation.
Heard about that.
What do you think about it?
I wouldn't do it. I don't want anything messing with my system.
I would say it depends. It depends on the circumstance, the situation at the time. I mean, it depends. I wouldn't say yes, I wouldn't say no. But for now, I could comfortably say no.
Would you take it?
No. No, No.
Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah, because you never know. The woman might forget to take her birth control pills or something. I should take some part of my responsibility and I'll take it. Yeah. I expected some resistance, but every guy I talked to except one said they were not interested in injecting anything that would stop the production of their sperm. So if it's something that could be reversible, you wouldn't consider it?
It takes away your manhood, your masculinity. That's not something. So thinking that you can't procreate, thinking that you can't create a baby for a guy psychologically.
It's just not gonna happen.
I think it's more of a minority Spanish also kind of guys that they're really
Machismo.
Yeah, machismo, so they don't use birth control at all. Because I know that happens. If you look back in the day, all the Spanish ladies, they have 8, 9 kids, and my grandmother was one of them. She never, and when my grandfather wanted his way, he would just do his thing, and she would get pregnant, and it's oh well. So it's I think the men are never gonna really be into that shot.
Never? I really hope that's not the case. I mean, at the risk of sounding like the feminist I am, women have been poked, prodded, injected, inserted with all types of birth control methods. So one can only hope men will be more than happy to finally be able to do their part.